Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ROHIT Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to taking ownership on access block folder. Let's double click on this PC. Let's double click on C drive. Double click on data folder. As you can see, you don't currently have permission to access this folder. Click on continue. You have been denied permission to access this folder. This folder belongs to user Niranjan, which even administrators are not able to access. To access this folder, we will take ownership of this folder. Click close. Now I am taking this data folder ownership. Right click on data folder, select properties, click security tab. Click advanced. Unable to display current owner. Click on change. Type here administrator. Click check name. Click OK. Click OK. Click replace owner on sub-container and objects. Click apply. Click yes. Click OK. Click OK. Click OK. Now open data folder. As you can see, our data folder is open. This means owner has been replaced with Niranjan to administrator. Go back to data folder. Go to data folder properties. Click security tab. As you can see, now the current owner is administrator. Click OK. Let's close C drive. So viewers, in this video you can learn how to taking ownership on block access user folder on Windows Server 2022.